beautiful view here in Mexico. Yeah. Yeah, right here, enjoying the view. It's warm out here. You can take this off here, I think. All right, and there's a cave right here too, so I might go in there. Okay. Well, there's a cave right here, but unfortunately, it is not open. So, and maybe that's what it looks like in there. But, yep, all padlocked. Padlocked for safety. Can you see in there? Ooh, oh, it looks like a, yeah, definite cave in there. I see rocks and stuff in there, so it's hard to see in the hole. Can't see much in there though. Okay, there it is. Well, this is the road that we came up on. And we're coming down here. Like I said, you got this beautiful view. We're going out to another scenic overlook here in a minute. And probably the road is going to go up in that area here. And you can see this big rock overlook here. And we're going to go right up there and around there somewhere. Who knows where? Adventure awaits us here for the unknown, for the intrepid travelers. Worldwide intrepid travelers here. Oh, it looks like a, I thought that might be a tram, but that's electrical wires or something going down there. But it's very hazy out here, very, very hazy out there. So, yeah, you're not going to see too much in the haze. Okay, we're going up on this bridge here. Hopefully not a bridge too far. And a little steep climb here. Gotta watch my step. And there's the road down there. And come out to a little something. I better screw my hat on here so I don't lose it. Although it's not too windy, but it could be a little breezy here. Okay, all rigged up with my hat here. So there we are. Look out there. There, wow, look at down there. We're so high here. Oh, the mountains, the view from over there. Yeah, look at that. Look at that here, right on the edge here. And my life is on the edge here too. Maybe I live on the edge. But we're right on the edge, looking down here. Woo! Yeah, look at that. I think that might, I don't know if that's the road that we took coming up or not. But down there, the old river, not much water in it, but it does have some water. And you can go up there. We're going to work our way up there too. So yeah, all right. Here we go. Well, this must be where we are. Urique. All right. Let's get down here. Come close to the sign. We got a little wooden bridge up there. Yeah, we got to work our way up here. Watch our step here. A little more climbing for the kid here. All right. All right. Climbing up here. Here we go. I don't have to have my jacket on today. Ah, look at those views down there. Oh, we got some people coming across, so I'll let them come across. A little shrine right here. Yeah. Okay. Go across this bridge. This is what's underneath of us here. Could be a little scary here. But we got chain link on either side. I think it's pretty safe. Everybody's walking across here. Coming across the bridge. Getting a little breezy up here now. A little breezy. Okay, I watch my head. Got a duck. Alright. The kid has ducked. And we got the glass panels here. I don't know if I trust the Mexican glass panels or not here, but Yeah, a little scary here, a little scary. Right near the edge here. Alright, there we go. There's our view from up this point here. We were just down there earlier. You can see a road. Look at that beep beep beep, beep, zigzag road. And then we're coming up here. Look at this here, the town. Hazy out there though, hazy. A lot of dust in the air from the roads and everything. So yeah. Here we go, look at that, look at that. Here we got things up here, a little breeze blowing here. So you might hear a little breeze. And there's another one up a little bit higher. So I have to go back across the bridge here. And yeah, all right, we got some grates, some glass. I don't know about that. So kids are gonna walk on the safe spot here. Best to be safe than sorry. There's Shadow Man. Shadow Man said hi to everybody out there in M1 Man Travel Channel. All right, we got steps here, no handrail, so the kids got to be careful here. Always got to be careful, but I got to be extra careful here. You know, I'm not a youngster anymore here, like some of the other YouTubers that are in their 20s and 30s that are all full of energy and everything here. Kids still got some energy here, you know, but still working on it here. Climbing up here. All right. Got some more few little trees up here. Let's see how this looks. All right, there's where we just were, where I just was, right down there. Some other people are there now. Come over here. And yeah, all right. Oh, look at that sheer cliff right there. Oh, you don't want to go over the edge of that bad boy. Look at that road down there. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. All right.
All right, let's go ahead and get in if you're going to get in the shot.
Group photo, group photo.
Muchos problemas hemos tenido con ustedes.
Okay.
Everybody wave to my camera too. Everybody wave. Wave. Well, here's the waterfall. If I don't slip here, somewhere in here, there's cups back there.
How do you get to them?
Well, no, there aren't cups. That's a candle and a statue. And the cup that was here is gone.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
there was a cup there, but it's a grotto. Look at all that water down inside there, dripping down here. It said you could drink it. People leave candles here and everything. And somebody else right next to it put another statue with some candles there, because it's a little muddy right here. To get up close, it's a little treacherous and slippery up there. So
if you stick to the rocks, you should be fine. Just keep right there.
yeah, so
Somebody actually built a little pond?
I don't know if that might be natural.
It's all natural.
Yeah,
Pond is natural?
yeah, it's natural there. Al natural. Uh-oh, I want to catch this on video here when it goes down into the mud here. They got some more statues here. Well, that one's like the Grim Reaper or something there. Somebody put a Grim Reaper up there and they're facing away. But yeah, all these are Grim Reapers here, holding a skull and everything here. So I don't know. Here, whoa. Almost had a little trip and fall there. You gotta watch it. But yeah, all this greenery up here. There's all that water comes down inside of here. It goes in this nice little grotto here. There it is inside there. Very nice. Very nice water in there and everything. Okay, saying goodbye to the water in there. All right. Didn't get a chance to drink it though, so.